Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you the part 5 that is the need for the LM potency. Well, for the introduction, in the footnote number 132 of aphorism 246, our master Dr. Hahnemann denotes the new method. Dr. Hahnemann did not lay down the clear-cut indications for the use of his latest and most up-to-date, the 50 millisiemen scale. He hinted about as far back in 1837 in the book The Chronic Disease, the Theoretical Part. Hahnemann worked from 1838 to 1842 to revise the 5th edition of Organon. In it, he created potencies called the LM or the Q potencies to supersede his centesimal potencies. In the 6th edition of Organon, it is given in aphorism 269 to 272 with important footnotes. So, why the need for the LM potency? Hahnemann during his lifetime in Paris found out in many of his patients that was homeopathic aggravation even with 30 CR potency of the centesimal scale. So, in his lifetime in Paris, he found out that even by using the low potency, that the 30 CR potency on the centesimal scale, there was an aggravation. Furthermore, there was a need for frequent repetition cases with advanced pathology. The centesimal dose was not ideal for this. So in cases where the pathology was advanced, repetition without an aggravation was not possible by using the centesimal scale. Thus, he invented the LM scale of potencies, which could repeat often without any fear of aggravation. Therefore, he said that there was a need for a scale in which the aggravation would be minimized or no aggravation would take place. So let us see the synonyms. So the synonyms are the 50 millisiemen potency, LM potency, Q potency, new method, new dynamization method, or the renewed dynamization as per 161, or the new altered but perfect method. So all these are the synonyms of the 50 millisiemen or the LM. Dr. Pierre Smith of Geneva termed this new scale as 50 millisiemen. Rudolf Fleury gave the abbreviation LM. Dr. S. Rawson described it as succus dilution, references Hahnemann gleanings. In Eastern region, some homeopaths indicate it as new method and the Western countries as the LM method. The name Q potency derived from the Latin word quinquagemilia, which literally means 50,000 and was introduced by Josh Quinsley. The signs and symbols denoting LM potency, the new method of dynamization is denoted by prefix 0, which represents symbolically the poppy-sized globule to be used in the scale, or by capital letters LM, where L stands for 50 and M stands for millisiemen. Hahnemann used to write it as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. In Western countries, the homeopaths used to write it as 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, etc. At present, the new style writing is LM1, LM2, LM3, etc., which is, I believe, more scientific. In this subcontinent, the homeopaths write it as 01, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, or M1, M2, M3, etc. It can also be written as Q2, Q3, etc. Here, the 0 is prefix. The numerator 0 represents symbolically the poppy-sized globule. They are 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, etc. LM1, LM2, LM3, etc. M1, M2, M by 3, etc. Q by 1, Q by 2, Q by 3, etc. But the best usual method followed in India is 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. Here the 0 is prefix. The numerator 0 represents symbolically the poppy seed size globule as told previously. Now the range of LM potencies. Now, the lm-potencies are generally available in dry globules, and the potency ranges from lm1 to lm30. That is, the minimum starting potency is lm1 and maximum is lm30. After lm30, we have no further potencies. So the lowest range is lm1, highest is lm30. So you've got a big range from lm1 to lm30. So that's all for this part. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please be tuned for the part 6, which is coming up shortly. Thank you very much.